algebra again. This time we're looking at the distributive law for the second time. So this is part 2 of the distributive law. Trying to do some fairly complicated stuff. You can see this equation here, or expression I should say, 3 times x minus 5 plus 2 times 4 minus x. So really quite complicated, but we can use our distributive law to simplify this. So that's our goal here, to simplify. Now again, we can use our, I'll just fix that up. We can use our distributive law to do it. You can see that there's something outside of some brackets. So we can do the same thing that we've done in the past. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 5, negative 15. Then we can do it here as well. 2 times 4, positive 8. And positive 2 times negative x will make negative 2x. Now after that, it's just grouping like terms. So you can see we have a 3x and a negative 2x. Negative 2x. And you can see we have a negative 15 and a positive 8. Okay, so 3x minus 2x, 3 minus 2 is 1, so it's just going to be 1x, which we can just write as x. And then negative 15 plus 8, you can do it on your calculator, you'll end up with negative 7. So we've taken something quite complicated, 3 bracket x minus 5 plus 2 bracket 4 minus x, and we've simplified it down to just simply x minus 7. That's the beauty of this distributive law. Just one more in the same pattern so we can see how it all works. Now 2 bracket 4 plus x minus 3 bracket x minus 6. It's this minus here that's going to sort of make this one just a little more complicated. Let's take a look. Again, distributive law to expand these brackets. So 2 times 4 will equal 8. 2 times x will equal 2x, or positive 2x. Now this is where you need to be a bit careful. This is minus 3 times x. We're expanding this second bracket. So minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 3 times minus 6. Minus 3 times minus 6 will be positive 18. Now I can group my like terms here. We've got an 8 and a positive 18. And we've got a positive 2x and a minus 3x. So 8 plus 18 is going to be 26. That's nice and easy. Positive 2x minus 3x. So positive 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And it's going to be an x. So it's just minus 1x, which we can just write as minus x. So again, you can see we've taken something that looked quite complicated and simplified it down to something much, much simpler, much, much easier. That's the distributive law part 2 with some slightly more complicated questions.